Hello and welcome to the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and more joy. I'm here to help you speak English naturally, step by step, day by day. I will be speaking slowly and clearly so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we are going to talk about something very simple, but very powerful. How to practice English every single day even if your life is busy. Even if you feel shy. Even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Many people think they must move to the UK or America to speak English well. But that is not true. You don't need to live in London. You don't need a native speaker next to you. You don't need to study for hours every night. What you really need are small, smart steps that are easy to repeat, steps that fit into your daily life. Steps that help you feel natural and confident in English. So, let's begin. What is shadowing? Maybe you've heard this word before. Maybe you haven't. Shadowing is one of the best techniques to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. It's simple. It's powerful. Here is how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me. And you try to repeat exactly what they say, without stopping, without translating, without checking a dictionary. You simply copy the sound like an echo, same speed, same tone, same rhythm. Let's try it. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. Now you repeat. I listen to English every day. Now you repeat. Shadowing helps me speak better. Now you repeat. Very good. This is shadowing. At first, it feels strange. You may not understand every word. That's okay. Shadowing is about training your brain and your mouth to work together. If you do this for just 5 minutes a day, you will speak faster, clearer, and more naturally. A small habit, with big results. How to practice English every day? Many students tell me, Ajay, I want to learn, but I don't have time. Ajay, I feel nervous. Ajay, I don't know how to start. And I always say, you don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need the right moment. You just need to begin. So here are 5 simple and powerful ways to practice English every day, wherever you are. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Not once a week. Not only in class. Every day. Because listening helps you learn new words, feel the real rhythm of English, understand faster, hear real voices, not textbook voices. How to do it? Podcasts, songs, YouTube videos, short stories, English news for learners. You don't need to understand 100%. Even 30 to 50% is useful. Listen while walking, cooking, cleaning, exercising. Make English your background music. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Listening is good. Shadowing is better. Repeat what you hear. Match the rhythm. Try this. I want to get better at English. Repeat. I don't understand everything, but I keep going. Repeat. I'm improving little by little. Repeat. Daily shadowing makes your speech smoother, clearer, and more confident. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be practiced. Tip 3. Think in English, one thought at a time. This is life-changing. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Begin with simple thoughts. When you wake up, it's morning. I'm sleepy. I need coffee. When you go outside, the sky is blue. The air is cold. I see a dog. During the day, I'm working. I'm tired. I want to go home. Later, speak them out loud, even quietly. This builds natural fluency. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading silently is good. Reading aloud is excellent. Choose short, simple text. Read slowly, then faster, then with expression, like an actor. This is a gym for your speaking muscles. Tip 5. Make English part of your daily life. Don't just study English. Live with English. Here's how. Change your phone language to English. You see new words daily, without studying. Write a 3-sentence diary, just 5 minutes every night. Record a 1-minute voice message. Talk about your day. Listen to your own voice. You will improve quickly. Join an online English group: WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Tandem. English feels alive when you use it with people. Watch short videos and repeat sentences. Copy the tone, rhythm, speed. Small daily actions equals big fluency. Say, "Good morning," in English. Write your to-do list in English. Watch 5 minutes of English content. These tiny actions create strong habits. And strong habits create confident English speakers. When English becomes part of your daily life, it stops feeling like homework. It becomes something you live with. And that is when real fluency begins.